Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Lexus LS460 oil light. Start by turning your Lexus LS460 ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. Make sure your odometer reading is visible on the instrument cluster. Next, find the trip reset button, usually near the odometer. This initial step prepares your vehicle for the oil light reset procedure, ensuring you can access the necessary menu. With the ignition on, press and hold the trip reset button. You'll see the display cycle through trip A and trip B. Keep holding the button down. After a few more seconds, the maintenance light will begin to flash, indicating you are entering the reset mode. This confirms you're on the right track. Once the maintenance light starts flashing, release the trip reset button. Immediately press and hold it again. Continue holding until the maintenance light completely turns off. This action confirms the reset. Your Lexus LS460 oil maintenance reminder is now cleared, and you're ready for your next drive with peace of mind. After completing the reset, start your Lexus LS460 engine to verify that the oil maintenance light is no longer illuminated. It's always a good practice to regularly check your oil levels between changes. Remember to schedule your next oil change according to your vehicle's recommended service intervals, ensuring long-term engine performance.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.